You're going a little easier than the factory tire came off, I'll tell you that. Yeah, broke one of my, I don't know if you can see it on the time lapse, but need to line it up a little better. There we go. One of them little blue doohickeys. I can't remember when I bought them, but I did buy them there for like popping little panels off of like door panels and stuff, like trim panels and stuff on cars to keep them scratching paint and stuff. So yeah, that one's just I can take